you have electric, consider replacing them with solar. Just wire around this solar. This is solar blue, and I don't need to plug in, it just works. This is what I have done with other Christmas decorations. That one is blue. I just put this wire around. This is all done, and I have 20 meters. I purchased 20 meters blue 200 lights. It's way too many. Now I realized I could have only 100 lights for this one, and I think prior years I bought 100. So this year I just didn't check and bought 200 lights. 20 meters, way too many. So if you have any decorations that uses electric, you definitely can get solar and just wire them like this, and don't need to worry about, just push the button, get them outside. So easy to use. I also got them with solar lights, wired with solar lights right here. So easy to use. They turn them on, gets outside, and it's done. See, this is multicolor. Here we go. Another one, and that blue. I need to change our setting. This. That too much. Like that one. Another one is right there. And here.